Alright, here we are with our 1997 SeaDoo Challenger. Who wanted this boat more than anybody else? He's ready to get on the water. What did we just fix? Got a brand new starter. One more time. She's running pretty decent today.
Today we got YOYO. You're only young once in the water. What? Our parents are going to put the trailer back. Well, it's now we're our second boat,
and it's currently running perfectly.
After some fixes we had to make after we got it. So hopefully it'll run well once our parents come back. What we'll be doing is put it over at East Beach where our other boat is. So that'll be another interesting thing.
And we also get to drive it for the first time ever.
After buying it a couple months ago and having to work on it. And okay, today this is our tour of our new boat, YOYO. This is the very front where Lily is right now. We got a storage right by her, nothing in there yet. Some cup holder. Another seat, and right in the middle we have another storage where we have our paddle and line. And here is the most important part: how we are driving. Our key, which is interesting in itself, since we have to put this part, the kill switch, on our life jackets. And there's 3 seats back here, and then where the entire magic happens, back here, if I was to remove this, you can see the engine, and behind all of this we have our diving platform where we can jump off. I am your new cameraman, Ryan.
The inaugural run in the water, going across,
Making our way to our dock.
Hopefully this will fit with our other boat and another boat that's going to be next.
we're gonna figure it out.
We got the Coast Guard here today, and they're going to check out our boats.
Both boats.
Hopefully it's
It's a
good.
beautiful day out on the lake. I'm gonna take you guys over to East Beach and show you what it's all about.
It's the boys' first trip together on our new boat, and they're just returning. I'm not sure if they know I'm recording this, but they will find out later. Seems to be pretty successful. Ryan is currently turning. He's just making sure that he stays in the pinpoint he's supposed to be.
Look who it is. Captain Laurel's back at it. This boat's more your speed, huh?
Yes, definitely more my speed, for a variety of reasons.
We're happy with our little jet boat. She's running pretty decent today.